Welcome back to our channel YouTube Investors, where we break down the hottest stocks, and today, we've got a sneaker giant in the spotlight, Nike. If you've ever wondered about the financials behind those iconic swooshes, you're in the right place. First up, we're talking price-to-earnings ratio or PR. Nike's TTM PR stands at 35.78, slightly higher than the 5-year average of 34.14. Suggesting that now could be a little bit overvalued. Looking ahead, the forward PR is 28.26, suggesting a more optimistic future outlook. Now, let's talk about growth. The price-to-earnings growth or PG ratio sits at 2.47. It's an indicator of potential overvaluation when it's higher than 1, so we'll keep a close eye on that. Continuing with the return on equity is an impressive 36.03%, showcasing Nike's ability to generate shareholder value. Meanwhile, return on assets comes in at 13.79%, indicating efficient use of assets. Breaking down earnings, Nike has an earnings per share or EPS of 3.42. Looking ahead, the EPS for the next 5 years is expected to grow by a whopping 14.5%. Now, that's what we call forward momentum. If you're into dividends, Nike offers a 1.16% yield with a remarkable 12.32% dividend growth over the last 10 years with a consistent dividend payment of almost 35 years. This is necessary to make the dividend snowfall. Digging into margins, we've got an operating margin of 10.18% and a profit margin of 10.29%. These margins reflect how efficiently Logitech is running its operations, but let's keep going. Nike's revenue has seen a positive trajectory over the last 8 years, but earnings took a slight dip, especially after 2021. This has reflected in the market price, with Nike trailing behind VO in total returns over the last 5 years. Now, let's talk about debt. The debt-to-equity ratio is a manageable 0.86, and for the long term, it's even lower at 0.83. Financially fit? Absolutely. Tracking the stock price, the average return over the last 52 weeks is a respectable 5.83%. However, with a market cap of a whopping $184.81 billion, the real question is, can it keep the momentum? Analysts are predicting a price of $126.22 in the next 12 months, signaling an upside of 3.01%. But hold up, I did my homework, and my fair value for Nike is $113.40. Suggesting a potential overvaluation compared to analysts' predictions. Alright, investors, that's a wrap on Nike's financial report. What are your thoughts on the sneaker giant? Do you agree with the analysts, or do you side with my fair value assessment? Drop your comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the stock market's hottest picks. Until next time, happy investing!